Good morning, students. In last few days, I have explained you the structure of the prism, what happened when a ray of light or beam of light passing through the prism and prism does not produce any color. This type of the activity we have seen. Now today I am going to explain you the atmospheric refraction. As in the geography you have read, there are several atmospheric zones in the atmosphere. The several atmospheric zones. And also you know the atmospheric zone which have the hotter, that means the atmospheric zone in the air is hotter compared to the atmospheric zone in the air of the cooler air. Then the atmospheric zone in the hot air, the refractive index is slightly less than the atmospheric refraction of the cooler one. As a result, when the light travels from the one atmosphere to the another atmosphere, instead of the moving straight, it is moving in the zigzag line. Why? Because we know when the light travels through a refraction, then as per law of the refraction in the rarer medium, when it's come from the rarer to the denser medium, it moves, instead of the going straight line, it moves towards the normal. On the other hand, when it moves from the denser to the rarer medium, instead of the moving straight line, it moves away from the normal. And since in the different atmospheric refraction is the rarer and denser, different rarer and denser medium, all are not same. So light, instead of the moving straight line, it is moving in a zigzag position. Now let me draw one rough figure. Suppose this is a one atmosphere zone, this is second atmosphere zone, this is third atmosphere zone, this is fourth atmosphere zone, and so on. Suppose this is rare medium, this is denser medium, this is rare medium, this is denser medium. It is not same that always simultaneously it will be rare, denser. It can be changed also. As per my experiment, as per my explanation, I am going to explain you. So here, when the light travel in a straight line, instead of the moving straight line, it is moving in the zigzag line. These types of the positions, it is moving in the zigzag line instead of the moving straight line. So this movement of the light in a different atmosphere is known as atmospheric refraction. One of the most interesting atmospheric refraction, the twinkling of the star. Now questions are, why the stars are twinkle? When the light from the stars comes from the stars to the surface of the earth, then these lights have to travel many atmospheric zones. And finally, after traveling the different atmospheric zone, as I have explained you, instead of the moving straight line, it is coming in the zigzag line. And finally, when it enters in our eyes, it seems to be twinkle. And the actual positions of the star and apparent position of the stars are slightly different, because the light, instead of the moving straight line, it is passing to the different atmospheric refraction. It is the one of the most phenomenon of the atmospheric refraction, and that is only the reason the stars are twinkling. So today your homework is read up to the page number 194. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.